Our topic of discussion is fake call, fake SMS, fake email. We'll be using few websites to achieve our goal. So the first website we'll be visiting is crazycall.net. All you have to do is select a country from here, and the number what you want to display you have to put here, and the person whom you have to call, you have to put his number over here, and you have to select the pitch. If you select the low pitch, the voice will be of female. If you select the normal pitch, the voice will be normal. If you select a high pitch, the voice will be of a male. And you have to click on get me a code. So here a code will be displayed to you. All you have to do is type the code with your mobile and send a message. But a warning, I'd like to give you a warning. This will charge you around $1. So it's better to try it on your own risk. This is only for education purpose. Now next website, SMS Global. With the help of this website, you can send free SMS to anybody. All you need to do is sign up, and the sign up is for free. You have to fill your detail, create an account, and here it will be asking you about your mobile number. You just have to enter your mobile number, do some verification process, and you're good to go. Now next is anonymizer.in. With the help of this website, we can send a fake mail to anybody. All you have to do is click on send email. Here you have to type the email address of the poster. For example, and the getter who is getting this email, who is supposed to get this email, that's me, and the subject, and the body. And you have to fill the captcha and click on send. Now a fake mail will be sent to the respective person. See, this is the fake mail. The name is Sachin and the subject is anonymous. See, this was the fake mail that I have sent through anonymizer.in website. So this was all about fake mail, fake SMS and fake call. Also for Android mobile phone user, there is an app called Text Me. Text Me. This is the app which allows you to make fake phone calls and SMS for free, for up to 10 free fake phone calls. Do try it. It's good app. Thank you.